You can either get the round trip or you can get the one way. You can get the day pass also. We are headed to Harbor Fest today to check out the Parade of Sails. They come into the harbor and all the local ships and companies, they will have a show put on. So you're in for a treat today. So hang out with us. Got off at the stop called Civic Plaza. And we're gonna cross over right there. And we're gonna go and set up shop. Down here at the marina. In the marina, you can actually pay for dockage depending on which slip you get. Just go to the harbor master over there and you pay your fee, and then you're able to dock. This area right here that we just got to, that's the entrance to the ferry that takes you to and from Norfolk and Portsmouth. These boats right here have already secured their boat slips for the weekend. So they're gonna have a great vantage point of all of the festivities that's going on downtown. You're gonna see a whole host of vendors set up in different locations throughout the festival. You'll see them in tents, different booths. The stretch that I'm walking on now, you're gonna find all of the food vendors set up, and they're getting ready to put out some delicious food to the public. And let me tell you, delicious. This is the backstage area for all of the bands that's going to be performing this weekend. Backup generators here just in case power go out. This is the normal site that the Spirit would sit in, but because of the big ships that's coming in, they're parked down there. This is a list of all of the events that's happening this year. Every 2 weeks, Norfolk have a major festival down here in this same area, so make sure you check out the different things that's happening in the city. Let's check out some of these food vendors and food trucks. It's going to make you hungry, and there'll be more set up later as well. doing today?
Think I give y'all a visit and not need you.
This particular area is where a lot of the vendors that sell merchandise will come down to the festivals and sit up. And they actually have a lot of nice products. This is the beginning of the parade of sails, so sit back and relax, everybody, and enjoy all the information that they provide.
National Defense Service Medal, Vietnam Service Medal with 2 bronze stars, the Vietnamese Cross of Gallantry with Palm, the Military Merit Medal, and Republic of Vietnam Campaign Medal for his bravery, leadership, and heroism. This Arleigh first-class destroyer spans over 500 feet weaponry, such as the Aegis Western System, 2 Mark 41 vertical launch systems, 14 triple torpedo tubes, and Mark 36 Launch 12 decoy launching systems. It also utilizes high-tech surface USW combat systems, hull-mounted surface search radar. Commander Cartina Stegner serves as commanding officer, with Commander Ashley Carline as executive officer and Master Chief Terry Vines by their side. Welcome to the USS Gonzalez, the new vessel coming in from New Jersey. Meerwald from Bivalve, New Jersey. A.J. Meerwald is restored oyster dredging schooner, originally launched almost 100 years ago. You probably saw that, Jack. Yeah. She was one of hundreds of schooners built along South Jersey's Bay Shore before the Great Depression and decline of the shipbuilding industry. Today, A.J. Meerwald functions as a traveling classroom and vehicle to enjoy waterways. After a 3-year project in 1995, she was fully restored and added to the National Register of Historical Places, leading to Governor Whitman designated her as the New Jersey's official ship in 1998. The Meerwald is a wooden construction with a white oak hull and 85-foot cedar deck. It displays over 3,500 square feet, about the area of a tennis court, of sails, and is supported by a John Deere engine with 230 horsepower. The Meerwald is escorted by the Norfolk Naval Sailing Association, Norfolk Yacht and Country Club, and the Yankee Point Patch Club. Navy Mid-Atlantic Regional Maintenance Center deep sea divers. Some essential maintenance duties for the U.S. Navy. Divers stay intensely focused and aware of their surroundings within the danger of waterborne repairs to ensure safety of vessels.
Up in this area is the Harbor Fest Video Arcade. Got my man over here setting up for ping pong, arcade games, foosball, the Bop It, race car, NASCAR, Harbor Fest Boardwalk Arcade. Let's go, everybody.
Thanks everybody for hanging out with me today down here at Harbor Fest 2024. Now it's time to head home and get some relaxation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. That way you know we have something new and exciting for you to look at. I'm Pierre from the Howard's Adventures. Deuces.
Hi. Yes, I am. Y'all save me a seat.